Hey, so if Confluence is not loading, stuck on a blank screen, or keeps spinning forever, yeah, this is a common issue. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to fix Confluence not loading in 2026. First thing, check your internet connection. Unstable internet can stop it from loading. Next, refresh the page. So, sometimes it's just a temporary glitch. All right, clear your browser cache. Old data can cause loading problems. Now try incognito mode. This avoids extension conflicts. Next, disable browser extensions like ad blockers. All right, check Atlassian status to see if the service is down. Now update your browser. Outdated versions can cause issues. Next, try a different device to isolate the problem. And yeah, log out and log back in to reset your session. So that's how you fix Confluence not loading problems. Once fixed, everything should work normally again.